Okay, I guess you cannot have a knife and a balisong in one. This is why I got this fake one when I lived in Canada. But let's open the box and check some real balisongs I got from Spain today. So these are Spanish manufactured JKR knives. And we will be checking some real balisongs and some fake ones. Maybe let's start with the smallest box. And here we have one all metal real balisong. Yeah, it's very light, very easy to flip. Could be a perfect trainer. And it is a real knife. And it is a real knife with a real sharp blade. Let's look how sharp it is. Well, it can cut through paper. But it could use some extra sharpening. Or actually it's perfect for practicing balisong tricks. And here's my fake balisong. Let's compare it to the real one. Yeah, pretty similar size, similar weight. The only different, this one is spring assisted. And this one works with the help of a gravity. So yeah, that's pretty much the only difference between the legal and illegal balisong. And this knife feels really light. So maybe let's check the thicker, heavier next. This one is official CSGO Knife. And it's a fake one too. You can see it's the same spring assisted. And it's a new knife, so you might need to work this mechanism. Here is my old one, you can see it works really well. And this one does not want to flip all the way. Yeah, I think the problem is that it's coated in this paint, and this paint is really grippy. I don't know, maybe you need to remove the paint or add some lubrication. It's not the most comfortable knife too, but at least it's pretty sharp. Much sharper than the first knife we tested. Yeah, if you want to have a real CSGO skin knife in your collection, this is just one example, and I have seen like many different designs on the Joker product list, but as far as these two goes, the first one is definitely way more fun and actually even feels better in the hand. Oh crap, look, keep away from children. Alcane de los niños. Okay, so the design looks really nice on this one. And it's actual metal. And it looks so nice because it's worn down metal with a nice shiny details. The whole handle is just one piece of metal. Yeah, very nice pin. And even tiny details, like we put two screws to the eyes of the skull. Yeah, so the knife is definitely bigger and heavier than the first one. Here is a comparison side by side. And I think it's made from a different metal because it's way more heavier. Actually, you can hurt your fingers just by being hit with the handle. It can pinch your fingers very easily. Because it swings with so much force. But it feels really well in the hand, and it just feels like a big sturdy knife. I think this one is my favorite so far. Maybe not best for the trick practicing, or maybe more for advanced users. But really nice as a knife. There's that metal finish. Then it just feels very well. And then it's just a solid knife that you can actually use for cutting. Plus it's very well balanced. I cannot feel the pin. And the pin does not get in the way when flipping the knife. Yeah, so it's way heavier even than my fake Balisong. It's the heaviest of all 5 knives I have on the table. But the build quality and the finish, wow, just so nice. this one just a light, and this one just light, fun, flipping practice knife, which can double up as a real Balisong pocket knife. Actually, the weight of this trainer and the first knife is exactly the same. They are both super well balanced and perfect for practicing Balisong tricks. And this one is nicely balanced too, but maybe for more advanced users, because those heavy handles make splitting way harder and you can even hurt your fingers. Then is CSGO Knife, which I'm not impressed. So this will be my favorite. And here is my old fake Balisong.